Hello and welcome to the first video of Python for machine learning tutorial. Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language which you can use it in many fields such as web development, data analysis, and machine learning, which we'll cover in this course. You can download Python from its own website, python.org. Python is a free and open source programming language which has many libraries and many usage. You can go to the download section and press download Python. And if you want a previous version, you can download it from here. I recommend you do not download Python 2 because it has died. I prefer Python 3.7, by the way. Now we're going to talk about Python print statement. Go to REPL.it if you don't want to install Python currently, but later you will or you must install Python. You can go here to the sign up section create REPL, choose Python and press create REPL. Okay, it will direct you to another website or in the same website to another field. You can run the code here and you will get the result here. Now we'll cover in this tutorial the print statement. Print statement, as its name mentioned, you can print values on the screen. Like if you want to print, you need to scientists, okay. And if you want to print a number, you need to write the number directly. But if you want to print a string or a text, you need to write these quotes or double quotes. Now we want to print hello world. You see it? Okay, it printed hello world. Now you have made the worst program in the earth. You can also print another text which has hello from HaTeQ. Run it. You'll get the result. Okay? Now you can print mathematical operations like 1 plus 2 or plus 1. It will print 2. You can also print like 5 multiplied by 3 will get 15. You can also print true or false statements like 5 is equal to 5. It will return true. Okay? And let's try 5 is equal to 6. It will return truly false. You can print whatever you want in this print statement. Like, I have the best tutorial. I hope it's ready. Okay, run. I have the best tutorial. Now you can add as many print statements as you want. Now let's try to add more print statements. Now we'll use a single quote. It doesn't have problem. You can use whatever you want, single or double quotes. Let's try to write anything. Like I am in the kitchen. Now I'll try to copy that and print it many times. However, every print statement should be on a new line. Okay? I will teach you a method that you can print this text as many times as you want. In the next video, we're gonna talk about variables, which you can store data in, and you will see it in the next video. Let's try to run this now. Okay, no problems. Now you can use print and say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video and share it and subscribe to my channel to support me. Thanks for watching and bye bye.